On ServCraft, an asset is defined as an item that you, as the service provider, have the responsibility to maintain and repair. You are able to add these assets to job cards to help you track and manage an item through your repair or maintenance process. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do an asset import. So this basically means loading an entire list of your assets at once. We'll firstly dive into our settings and then navigate to the Imports tab. Once we're here, we're going to say Create. Then we're going to choose the import type, which in this case is your asset. And then we will download the template. Now that we've downloaded the template, we are going to populate this. The required fields here is the asset serial number, the inventory description or code, and the customer code or name. Once this is done, you're going to save the file. Then you'll go back into ServCraft and select Choose File. Select the specific asset import that you've just done, and then you will save it.